Hi, kindergarten. It is time for lesson 12. And remember, lesson 12 is with your balance scale. So again, you're going to see someone new. Okay, so get ready for the lesson. Make sure you have your balance scale. Make sure you have your Eureka math book.
Hello, students. I'm Mr. Hammer. Today, we're going to compare the weight of an object with sets of different objects. Let's get started. Here is a picture of the template you'll need for today's lesson. You'll need your as heavy as a set recording sheet template. You can pause the video now and find this template. And then you're ready to start the lesson. Let's start today's lesson with our application problem. You know, I went into my backpack and I found this pink eraser. I'll put that right here. I wonder how many pennies are as heavy as my pink eraser. How many pennies are as heavy as my pink eraser? What do you think? Tell me. My friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, I think this eraser is as heavy as 8 pennies. Let's find out. I'll put my pink eraser on this side of our balance. Help me count as I add pennies to our balance scale. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've added 8 pennies to this side of the balance scale. How will I know how many pennies are as heavy as my pink eraser? Tell your friend, how will I know when to stop? Oh, my friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, look, the eraser side is lower than the penny side. So the eraser is still heavier than the pennies. My friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, look, our scale is balanced when the point on the green triangle matches up with the point on the black triangle. But they don't match up yet. So we need to keep adding pennies. All right, we have 8 pennies on this side of the balance scale. 8, 9. My friend just said stop. Oh, we can stop because the 2 points match up. Our scale is balanced. All right, we know that my eraser is as heavy as a set of blank pennies. Help me fill in my sentence. My eraser is as heavy as a set of blank pennies. How many pennies? Think. Say it. Yes, 9. My eraser is as heavy as a set of 9 pennies. Awesome. All right, look at my balance. I'm going to put this marker on this side of the balance. Now, I have 2 pennies over here. I'll put them on this side of the balance and let's see what happens. Ready? 1, 2. I'm all out of pennies. What do you notice? Tell me or tell your partner. Oh, my friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, the marker is heavier than the 2 pennies. That's true. My friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, we don't have enough pennies. We need more. Oh no, I'm out of pennies. I know. I have some cubes right here in my hands. Could I add some cubes to my pennies to see what's as heavy as this marker? What do you think? Could I add cubes? Oh, my friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, you can't add cubes, because then there'd be pennies and cubes. That's not fair. My friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, we need to use one type of object when we are weighing our marker. We can't use pennies and cubes. All right, let's take these pennies out of my balance. I wonder how many cubes are as heavy as my marker. Let's find out. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I stop? Should I stop adding cubes? Is my balance even? How do you know? Tell your friend or partner. Oh, my friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, stop adding cubes. This marker is as heavy as a set of 5 cubes. But how do you know? My friend over here said, Mr. Hammer, look. The point on the green triangle and the point on the black triangle match up. This is balanced. Take out your as heavy as a set recording sheet and a pencil. I'll do it too. All right. We just compared the weight of a marker and linking cubes. Ready? My marker. Let's draw our marker. Ready? My marker is as heavy as a set of how many cubes? Think. Say it. Yes, 5 cubes. Let's write 5, and then let's draw 5 cubes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say our sentence all together. Ready? My marker is as heavy as a set of 5 cubes. Awesome. Look, my marker is on this side of the balance. This time, let's find out how many pennies are as heavy as our marker. Ready? 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4. Should we add another penny? Let's see what happens. This doesn't look right. These 5 pennies are heavier than our marker. Let's take a penny back out. 5, 1 less is, think, say it. Yes, 4. We have 4 pennies. And 4 pennies are as heavy as our marker. And look, our triangles almost perfectly match up. We just compared the weight of our marker to a set of pennies. Let's fill in our template. Ready? My marker. Let's draw our marker. My marker is as heavy as a set of how many pennies? Think. Say it. Yes, 4 pennies. I'll write 4 and I'll draw my pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, turn to your partner and tell them your sentence. Nice. Let's say it together. My marker is as heavy as a set of 4 pennies.
All right, kindergarten, that's all we have time for now. But remember, you can fill out the rest of your tracker sheet by yourself, measuring the weights of different things using your scale. And remember to bring your paper with you to Mr. Malcolm. Great job!